What's up, man? What's good, men and Mikey? So today we are at Cubby's Corner.
At Wolf Hill.
At Wolf Hill.
This golf course.
Yeah.
And we're here with Uncle Harold again. Hi.
Hi.
Alright, so we're going to just do the 3 holes and
Quick little vlog.
rest in peace, Cubby. Oh man, that was pretty. That was just...
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Park job.
Sweet. Alright, here we are. Cubby's Corner is made of 3 holes here at Wolf Hill. 13, 14, and 15.
Birdie.
Nice birdies, guys.
Oh,
Park job. Ooh, a little short. Here's boy. Uncle Harold right up by the, we'll just past the pin here. Right there. Nice putt, dude. Absolutely. Nice, dude. Oof. A little deep. A little deep. All right, I don't see no birdies happening here. All right, boy's got a tough shot here. He's got this tree, and then the basket. Okay. Hey, you did what you had to do. Bird. 3 birds.
3 for 3.
Nice putt. Yep. That was Cubby's Corner.
thank you guys for watching this little short video.
We love you, Cubby.
Yep.
Peace.
See you in a little bit. Peace.